Alright, so I'm going to do just a quick unboxing video. This is a Zippo that I purchased earlier this week off of Macari from a seller. He had real good reputation, 5-star reviews, so forth. And I ordered a lighter from him. I bought it, and within minutes he got back to me, and he had sold that lighter on another site. So immediately, I was thinking, well, what exactly is going on? Is this going to be a bait and switch? What's going to happen here? But he offered right off, the jump to just refund me my money. He says, I'll give you your money right back. And I got back with him and I says, well, you have any more coming up for sales, shortly? And he said, well, I have 4 other ones. And he told me what they were. And I said, well, I'm interested in this one in particular. And so he says, well, I'll be more than happy to send it. I was going to ask you a few dollars more for that one, but, for the trouble, and this was my fault, I'll go ahead and send that one. So here we are. It came in today. And so I'm going to open this box, which means I'm going to put you down for just a second here. Sorry, using my phone, so it's not really the easiest thing. Let's see if we can't get this box open. Alright. And that made things easy. We use elastic instead of tape. Let's see what we have. Got typical Zippo box. You guys see in there, clean, and let's see, polish that up a little bit. There we go. 2012. And I just want to look over this case really well. There's not a scratch on this. Look at the wick, real good. Yeah, she's brand new. She's unfired. And at one time I had the Jim Beam like this, where they did the pewter Jim Beam emblem, but I'm not a fan of Jim Beam, so I got rid of that one. But shipped to my house, that lighter, and if you order anything online in the state of Arizona, they charge sales tax. It doesn't matter if it's eBay, Mercari, wherever. They always charge sales tax. So this lighter, with tax and $4 shipping, cost me, I think it was just under $18 out the door, and I am more than happy with this purchase. I did make another purchase today, another Zippo related purchase, if I can find it. Ruh-roh. Oh, there it is. There it is. I saw this and I had to have this thing. And And you guys are probably familiar with the Zippo tape measures. This one here, I really like the advertising on this one. It's a 2-color advertising, and I don't know, I just found it cool and I had to have it. And this one would be from 60s to early 70s. And it's in great shape. A little white thing up where it says coal, but I like that one. And this was just a couple of dollar purchase that I made. And it's just something to fill the box. This one's not really anything special. Probably was when it was new. It's a little scratched, but for a couple of bucks, I'll take it. And that's about it for right now.